Hi you guys, today I'm in the conservatory once again. See all the balloons over there, so I can actually film better. And we've got our tables on the superstation, or the custom showcase spotlight. I think I got it mixed up in like episode 4 or something. But here we are. No, this isn't another custom showcase. Just I want to let you guys know something. He's still alive. And Max is still with us. Unlike Edward. But Max is. I'm thinking of making him a bit better. Maybe even today I might redo his clay face. I might redo the body because it is horrible. I could have done better back then, but now's the chance I probably make it better. So you guys, I want to make Max a bit better, and hopefully I'm definitely making a new clay face for him. So at least there. Max is going to start appearing again, slowly, but he might be took for modifications and stuff now and again. And good news. Right, so let me just get him a bit closer. I've gotten better at clay now, so I can probably redo the face and make it look much better. So you just let you guys know. Also you might have been noticing some in the background, if you could hear that. Well, that's some chirpity chirps from my new birds. I didn't get time to show you them, for when I stopped filming, kind of had a giant break and all. I think now I'll show you them. Don't be scared, don't be scared. So the one with the black cheeks right there is called Obsidian. My mum named that one. And then downstairs there, the grey one with the orange cheeks is Chuck. The completely white one is Maggie, and the white one with the grey back and the kind of things in the eyes is Electro. That's cool. He just shedded a feather right in front of us. That's very cool. You guys, you're stars now. So, thank you guys for liking my video. And next time Max appears, he'll definitely be better. See you guys next video. Bye.